Because one car is no longer good enough for me, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to LEXUS LC500 and LEXUS LC500h. These cars might look the same, but they're very different machines. We've got the clean, well-behaved hybrid V6 and the naughty traditional V8. Both cars have a very similar price. Within each there are three different versions. There is Excellence, which starts from just under 117,000 Swiss francs, more or less an equivalent to the US dollar. Then there is Sport and Sport Plus. Well, guess which one I've got today? Both Sport Plus, and that costs just under 132,000. The competition out there, we've got Porsche 911 and the recently launched BMW 8 Series. But I will tell you what LEXUS LC500 is. Very unique, very elegant and very sophisticated. Let's begin with this lovely hybrid angel. 3.5 liters V6 petrol engine combined with electrical engine. All of this produces 354 horsepower and 0 to 100 is only 4.7 second sprint. It doesn't sound very boring, does it? Moving on to a slightly stronger and more aggressive animal. 5 liters naturally aspirated V8 engine. Nice to see no turbo these days. The engine produces 477 horsepower and 0 to 100 is only 4.4 second sprint. Sounds a bit of fun, doesn't it? Oh yes. Well, LEXUS was certainly very generous when assembling this interior because the quality of the materials, the finishing, absolutely superb. Beautifully crafted leather, Alcantara, aluminium. You get this lovely paddle shifters. They're not plastic, they're not aluminium. They are, ladies and gentlemen, magnesium. Everything works in such harmony. It's an oasis of peace and luxury. Just so lovely. And the seats, oh dear, they are good. However, there's one catch. If you're fat, forget it because you will spill all over them. But if you're fairly slim, you will fit right into it. Look how they snug and cuddle your body. Well, the good news is I'm not fat just yet, so all is good. In terms of space, well, this isn't a 2+2 coupe, meaning you will comfortably fit 2 adults and perhaps 2 small children in the back or 2 small chihuahuas. But anyway, you don't need to carry more people in a car like that, do you? How does it feel to be driving this lovely hybrid angel? I've got 10-speed automatic transmission, seamless, smooth, very responsive. When you put your foot down and rev it out, there is a little bit of a rattle, but you see, this car in the first place, it's not the kind of car I'm getting up in the morning, my blood is pumping, my adrenaline level is skyrocketing and I'm gonna get it out there all on the road. Well, not exactly. This car is elegant, it is sophisticated, it is quiet because overall it is very serene. It's the perfect car if you live in the city and you love to travel. The suspension does its magic. It absorbs most of the bumps and imperfection, but it doesn't mean you can't have fun because this car as well is a rear-wheel drive, so it's a little bit playful. It is also very economical. I'm climbing a rather high mountain over 2,000 meters high, and all I'm using is 9 liters. Let's not forget, we've got 354 horsepower under the bonnet. It's not too bad. Now on to steering and handling. LEXUS, you blimmin' nailed this one. This is king of a jungle. I mean, honestly, I don't know what you've done to this car, but the steering and handling, oh, it is out of this world. It is almost like you sat in Japan and designed this car for Klausen Pass, for curvy mountain roads. Oh boy, it is that good. I am just so impressed. Now I'd like to touch upon a stereotype. LEXUS is a car for old men who have no fun. Do you think like that or ever thought like that? Well, think again. Do I look like an old man not having fun? I don't think so. I must say I do have a thing going on for LEXUS and I'll be bringing more cars, LEXUS cars to my channel so that you can see it. This ain't a car for old men who have no fun. This is a car that puts a big smile on your face, not necessarily because it's calm and quiet, but because I've got a bit of that